Hey everyone! Today I'm going to let you in on a little secret that could be your game changer in selling your home open houses. Now, you might be wondering, why should I bother with an open house? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about opening your doors to strangers. It's about creating an experience, an event that can make your home irresistible. First off, open houses can significantly boost exposure. Unlike private showings, anyone can walk in. Curious neighbors, potential buyers, and even those who didn't initially consider buying a home. This can create a buzz and increase the chances of a serious offer. Secondly, open houses create a sense of urgency. When potential buyers see other people taking interest, it lights a fire under them to act quickly. No one wants to miss out on a great deal, right? But here's the kicker. In an open house, buyers get to experience the home in a relaxed setting. They can imagine living there, see themselves cooking in the kitchen, or chilling in the living room. It's all about making that emotional connection. Also, an open house gives your realtor the perfect opportunity to highlight the best features of your home. They can answer questions on the spot, explain unique benefits, and really sell the lifestyle, not just the property. And let's not forget, open houses can provide you with valuable feedback. You'll get insights into what people love about your home and what might need a little tweak. This can be incredibly helpful for making adjustments before the final sale. So if you're looking to sell your home quickly and for the best price, consider holding an open house. It might just be your secret weapon in real estate. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on selling your home. See you next time.
Ever wondered about the challenges of traditional open houses? The coordination, the unpredictability, the time-consuming nature of it all. It can be daunting, right? But what if there was a way to make it easier, more efficient, and more effective? Enter the realm of virtual open houses, a revolutionary approach to showcasing properties. Take the one-click virtual open house application as a case study. This application is designed to streamline the entire process of hosting an open house. With this tool, agents simply input the property details and schedule a date and time for the open house. Easy, right? But that's not all. Potential buyers can then self-register for the event via automated forms, receiving reminders about the open house in advance. It's not just about making life easier for agents, though. This tool also offers a new approach to lead generation. By collecting contact information from registrants, agents are presented with a powerful tool for generating new sales leads. And when it's time to showcase the property, the agent uses the One-Click Connections mobile app to give a live video tour of the property, just as they would during an in-person open house. The tour is even recorded, so interested parties can access it later at their convenience. Virtual open houses aren't just a novelty. They're a new, innovative way for real estate professionals to showcase their listings, stay connected with potential buyers, and demonstrate a commitment to using cutting-edge technology for the benefit of their clients. Imagine a world where open houses are no longer confined to a specific location or time. A world where agents can reach more potential buyers, generate more leads, and do it all with greater efficiency. That world is here, and it's time to embrace it. So, real estate professionals, it's time to step into the future of property showcasing. Try a virtual open house today. The potential is massive, and the opportunity to increase the number of potential buyers per showing is just a click away.